Welcome to Easy Brizi. Let's delve into how autonomous vehicles will revolutionize transportation and change our world. In today's video, we're going to talk about something truly exciting, how autonomous vehicles will revolutionize transportation and, in fact, change the world as we know it. Before we start, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss any of our future videos. Remember, autonomous vehicles aren't just a sci-fi fantasy anymore, they're becoming our reality. Explaining autonomous vehicles. These are not your regular cars. Imagine a car that drives itself, just like an autopilot feature in an airplane. It uses sensors, GPS, and something called machine learning, which is like teaching a computer to think and learn from its experiences. As William Pollard once said, learning and innovation go hand in hand. The arrogance of success is to think that what you did yesterday will be sufficient for tomorrow. Benefits of autonomous vehicles. The biggest one? Safety. Like an experienced chess player, these cars can make accurate decisions on the road, reducing human errors. They can also streamline traffic flow, like a well-coordinated orchestra, ensuring efficiency. And last but not least, they make travel accessible for everyone, even those who can't drive. Autonomous vehicles are a giant leap towards safer, more efficient, and inclusive transportation. Impact on transportation. The impact of these smart vehicles on transportation is colossal. Picture this: driverless taxis arriving at your doorstep or automated buses driving you around town. To quote Sunil Paul, a clean tech entrepreneur, self-driving cars will enable car sharing even in spread-out suburbs. A car will come to you just when you need it. And when you are done with it, the car will just drive away, so you won't even have to look for parking. Broader changes to the world. Autonomous vehicles will also bring significant changes beyond transportation. Think about cities with fewer parking spaces and more parks, a shifting job market as driving jobs transform, and potentially even less pollution. The impact of autonomous vehicles goes beyond transportation. They have the potential to reshape cities, economies, and the environment. Conclusion. As we have seen, autonomous vehicle technology offers a ton of benefits, from personal travel to broader societal impacts. The future is on its way, and it has self-driving cars in it. Let's embrace this change and prepare for an exciting tomorrow. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on the future of tech. Thank you for watching, and remember, the future is closer than we think.